What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another 2023 roller coaster project construction update, also known as High Surf. Well, there's been some progress over in the storage lot. Let's get over there first. Well, that was pretty neat, seeing some new launch track in the storage lot. Hopefully some of those pieces are going to make their way over to the main site very soon. Nobody here at the front entrance, and there was no way to get through security. And it looks like up here at the main turnstiles, no wait, we'll be right on through. Right here very soon, launch track and a big turnaround. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Park is dead. We do have some storms. It is brutally hot. I mean, brutally hot. We even have the heat advisory sign out over here. See? SeaWorld store. And right off the bat, I can see Halloween stuff. Yes! Some new merchandise items. That's pretty awesome. A couple other things. Candy corn blanket. Fans with lights. Necklaces with candy corn. And over here we can see more t-shirts. Which way to candy? That's kind of neat. Bottle of booze. Haha, that's funny. And it lights up and spins. Different drinks. You can see the candy corn shark. That's amazing. And more of them right there. Well, this is different. Over here in the Waterfront area, where the Guy Harvey store is, well, it looks like it's becoming a Howl Scream store of some sorts. And inside the shop we can see barrier with another sign saying Howl Scream. And just in case if you did not know, we do have a brew fest going on, craft beer festival, and it's on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Sky Tower, and it's currently in operation. Let's catch a ride to get some aerial views of the construction, hopefully before the storms roll in. Construction Duck, it's good to see you, buddy. How's everything?
Attention guests, my only request is that we remain seated at all times while the capsule is in motion.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see from miles and miles. As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for a lush, tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach, and even swim alongside dolphins.
I want to swim with rain. Look at the roller coaster. I subscribe to you.
Experience Discovery Cove and Aquatica.
Something like this at home. Like this. Also, try to have in. And this. Ja, och så kan vi förgena. Och så kan vi förgena.
Here's a look at the main construction site, and man oh man, are there a ton of form boxes, as you can see right over here for the launch area, a very large one for the turnaround, and then some of the area for going back towards the inversion and airtime hills and the tight turns over here. They're doing a lot of work. That auger is doing work right over there on some of those turns. It's looking good. over here by Icebreaker. Check it out. A bunch of new Howl-O-Scream stuff has been put up in the plaza. And it looks like some of the same items from last year. We had a show in this area, and it looks like it's going to return. More stage stuff over here. Some icicle, iceberg looking things as well. Again, this is all from last year. More set pieces right here. And the last one over here. Beneath the ice, well, we don't have the signage up just yet. Icebreaker's still there with Electric Ocean. Hopefully soon. Just outside of the Sesame Street land area last year, we had a haunted house right here. And sure enough, there's more set pieces in place. Yep, work walls are still up over here by the former ice cream parlor. Nothing new. Like we had said in our last update, last year they had a great scare zone right in this area. Very dark, very spooky, tons of fog, great scare actors. And I'm not seeing anything in this area just yet, but I do expect it's going to be a scare zone. Now just over here, some new set pieces have arrived. And by new, I mean, well, they were used last year, but it's new to the area for this year, I guess you could say. They just got put out, but this was a bayou area. Looks like it's returning. Another one of those buildings for the bayou. And down this way, yep, there's more. Giant building there. And a couple other smaller ones just down this way. There we go. One of the other set pieces. And I know, in the last update we told you about Monster Stomp, Slasher Alley, and I was like, hey, here's a clip from last year. And there was no clip. I apologize, but let's fix that for you now and show you a clip from last year. lighting up there. Again with the banner for Monster Stomp, Slasher Alley. Fantastic show. Another banner, more lighting. And then over here on the doors, we can see some posters. Wanted for murder. Mako! Currently showing a 0-minute wait, and that's because of lightning. Yeah, it's a little stormy. So no POVs today. Unfortunately, still nothing over here next to Shark Wreck Reef. Again, last year had an awesome scare zone, and hopefully it returns. But as of right now, there's nothing. We said earlier the craft beer festival was going on, but that doesn't mean they can't get ready for Howl Scream, as we see an alcohol booth right here.
Due to inclement weather and lightning in the immediate area, all outdoor shows, attractions, and rides have been temporarily suspended.
You know, there's only one animal on Earth that I would risk getting struck by lightning for, and that's pink chickens! You know I have to come see them. Hi there. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando. The weather is really moving in, temperature is dropping, and it is starting to rain. Lightning all over the place. Of course, the 2023 roller coaster project known as High Surf is kicking into high gear with lots of foundations all over the place for the launch, turnaround, and other ones on the site. New track has arrived in the storage lot for the launch, and I believe all of the pieces are there now. And again, very soon we should have vertical construction. Craft Beer Festival is going on. Howl Scream is coming up, and you know we're going to have plenty more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.